Hello everyone, Assalamu Alikkum to all, and welcome back to my another video. I hope all you are safe and healthy. I came here to show a recipe video. It's very long time I posted a recipe video. This is my own recipe and very easy to make. So you all try this and comment below how is it. Especially for beginners, you can easily learn how to make the noodles. I show you step by step each and everything, so you guys also easily understand how to make a perfect noodles with soya meat. I'm using here the soya meat. This is the flavor of cuttlefish. If you have any other flavors, no problem. Use my steps to make a delicious and perfect noodles. For ingredients and the measurement, please check my description box. I will write there for which ingredients I will use and what is the measure I will use there. So you can check my description box for the ingredients. If you are a new member to watch my channel, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my new notifications. Here I'm using soya meat instead of chicken or beef. It gives rich in taste. Soya meat is the Sri Lankan traditional curry. So I'm using here the soya meat. So you all try with soya meat. It's really tasty. So this is my first time I make with soya meat with noodles. Definitely you guys love this. I explain here how to cook the soya meat and I'll explain the procedure here. So if you have any doubt, you can check my description box. I can explain there also how to cook the soya meat and what is the procedure and the secret. I will share one secret in my description about how to make the perfect noodles, how to boil the noodles without breaking. Around 10 to 15 minutes we can make these noodles for our family members. Definitely our family members also love this. Very easy to make and rich in taste. I cook these noodles for my dinner, for my family dinner. So if you want a breakfast, so you can cook in the morning also. This is the perfect breakfast in the morning, the soya meat noodles. I got the soya meat from Sri Lankan shop. The noodles also I bought from there. Finally our noodles is ready. You can see the perfect color and it's rich in taste. You will really love this. So don't forget to try my recipe and comment me how is it taste. And thanks for watching and keep supporting me and stay safe and eat healthy. Thank you. Bye and see you in my next video.